Can you join the military with sleep apnea? If you're considering joining the military but have been diagnosed with sleep apnea, you're probably wondering if this condition will stand in your way. Let's break down the details to help you understand your options. First, it's important to know that sleep apnea itself does not automatically disqualify you from military service. However, the severity and management of your condition play a significant role in the decision. The military's primary concern is ensuring that you are fit and healthy enough to perform your duties. If your sleep apnea is mild and well managed, you might still be eligible to enlist. For instance, if you don't need a CPAP machine or other similar devices, your chances of being accepted are better. To proceed, you'll need to discuss your condition with a recruiter. They will provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date information about medical qualifications for enlistment. Be prepared to share all relevant medical documentation, including your official diagnosis, treatment plan, and any related medical records. In some cases, you might need to go through a medical board review process to determine whether your sleep apnea significantly impacts your performance. If your condition is manageable and doesn't require extensive treatment, you might be granted a medical waiver. The military takes sleep apnea seriously because it can affect readiness and performance. For example, sleep deprivation can lead to chronic drowsiness, depression, anxiety, and impaired cognitive function. However, with proper treatment, such as CPAP therapy or other alternatives like oral appliances or surgery, many service members can manage their condition effectively. During deployment, the logistics of your treatment can be a consideration. For instance, CPAP machines require electricity and can be bulky, which might limit their use in certain field environments. However, alternative treatments like hypoglossal nerve stimulator implantation, HNSI, may be more suitable for military service, as they require minimal ancillary equipment. In summary, having sleep apnea does not necessarily prevent you from joining the military. It's about how well your condition is managed and whether it affects your ability to perform your duties. Open communication with your recruiter and medical team is key to understanding your eligibility and the steps you need to take. So don't let sleep apnea discourage you. There are paths forward, and with the right treatment and documentation, you can still serve your country.